Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel we're focused on helping the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. So in 2024 I'm trying to make as much money as I can through Sidehustle Reliance, trying to better my life as well as my family's lives. More! And that's why I'm actually testing out a lot more sites than I ever have, and that way I can provide you lot insight as well as I can grow my wealth even more. Making money online through get paid to sites is an excellent avenue for anyone who wants to earn an additional income. Throughout the previous years, I've actually intensely tried various different get paid to sites such as Swagbucks, Freecash, and RewardsXP. In this video, we're going to be diving into a different website known as lootup.me, and I'm going to showcase why you need to incorporate this into your strategy for 2024. I'll detail effective earning methods and strategies what you can use to maximize your daily income. Additionally, we'll actually compare lootup.me to the go-to get paid to sites such as Swagbucks and Freecash to gauge its efficiency. As always, I've actually left my link in the description so you can sign up for all the sites mentioned in this video. If you do use my exclusive link for lootup.me, you actually get a $5 starting bonus, which gets you well on your way to start earning on lootup.me. So firstly, you may be wondering, what is Lootup? Well, it's a get paid to site which offers high surveys, offers cashbacks, and many other ways to earn. The funny thing is, it's actually owned by a video watching website known as Hideout TV. So it's actually got that long track record. You know exactly what you're getting, it's trusted, and it's a great site. But how do you actually earn? Well, we're going to get into that now. In terms of surveys, Lootup collaborates with a platform called RewardsXP. So this is a survey router, but it's not found on any other get paid to site from what I've seen. So that does mean that you will encounter less competition when you're doing surveys on Lootup than you would compared to other platforms like Swagbucks and QMe. This is a significant advantage, mainly because you can get more money from surveys. You won't have to battle to get these high rates. So typically, surveys pay around 4 cents on Lootup. It's not exceptionally high, but it's still a reliable way to earn any kind of money. So now let's actually dive into the exciting realms of offer walls. So today we're going to be looking at one main offer, Raid Shadow Legends. I'm sure you've heard the 20,000 ads about it on YouTube.
This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
So we're going to be looking at 3 different platforms, Swagbucks, Freecash and Lootup, and comparing the total payout for completing the entire offer on the different platforms. So Swagbucks yields you £72, Freecash $237, and finally Lootup gives you $107.80. At first glance, you may be thinking, oh, the obvious choice is just going with Freecash. So each of these offers actually has different requirements for Raid Shadow Legends. However, I'm going to be focusing on one key aspect, the Gold 2 Arena requirement. It appears across all 3 platforms, and when looking at this, you can see that Swagbucks actually offers the highest payout, with Freecash coming in second. It's evident that offers on Lootup may not be as lucrative as they may seem, especially when you compare it to other platforms. So for me personally, I would definitely compare any offers you actually do between platforms, and a lot of the time, it might even be worth doing an offer on Lootup. So following on, you may be thinking, Lootup is not worth my time. Well, you're going to be sadly mistaken. Here's 5 reasons why you should be using Lootup, and I'm going to be breaking down how you can maximize your earnings. If you're earning on the passive viewing website known as Hideout TV, transferring points to Lootup offers the best conversion rate for these points. The earnings from Hideout TV pale in comparison to what you'd receive on Lootup when compared to Swagbucks and Freecash.
Here, use this one.
Every 24 hours on Lootup, you can open a free chest allowing you to earn some free cash or an earning boost. So a lot of the time you will get an earning boost, and you're thinking, oh, I don't want that, I want cash. But if you are going to be completing surveys and offers on the platform, you can actually get an additional boost to those earnings you're actually getting. So if you get a 35% boost, if you complete an offer for 10,000 points, you're going to get 3,500 points on top with that boost enabled. I get cash around 50% of the time on the platform, and that ranges from 1 cent to 10 cents, which isn't too bad for just 3 clicks on the platform. By following Lootup on Instagram, you can gain access to their daily promo codes, which is redeemable on their platform. These codes always come out at random times, and they normally range between 5 and 10 cents, and since fewer people use Lootup compared to Freecash, you'll have a better chance of actually claiming these codes whenever they go live, even hours after. They're still going to be available for you. Lootup offers a free $1 giveaway every single day. There's 10 prizes to be won every day, and simply just fill in your details on the platform and you're entered to win. Whilst it is a game of chance, I've actually won 3 times on these giveaways in just 3 weeks. And it's definitely worth participating whilst not many people are using the platform. This way, the odds are in your favour. There's a chance you probably will win if there's less people using and entering these giveaways. Another opportunity to accumulate rewards is through contests. So if you complete certain actions, whether that be completing offers or surveys, you'll actually be entered in automatically to a contest where you can obtain some free bonus points. Personally, I would actually prioritize participation in these survey contests. So this actually has 50 places to win, and you actually get bonus points depending on how high you actually climb in the ranks. So this contest actually runs for the entire month, and the thing is, it's not based on the amount of points you earn, it's about the actual amount of surveys you complete and the volume you actually do. The top prize is $300, and that is up for grabs. How amazing is that? $300. Last month, the person who actually came last, so 50th, only completed 25 surveys on the platform, which is less than one a day, and they earned $2.80 in bonus money. The thing is, since surveys are exclusive to LootUp, this presents an opportunity where you lot can earn some easy money and accumulate bonus points with ease. The final thing I want to discuss is the level up system on LootUp. So once you actually earn a certain amount of points on the platform, you'll get rewarded additional bonuses. So currently I'm 3,166 points away from getting a £1,000 bonus. So once I've earned $3.16, I'll level up and I'll get an additional $1 just added to my balance by just using the platform. You need to maximize these rewards as much as you can because it's nice to get rewarded for loyalty, and that's what LootUp really excels with. Overall, whilst LootUp might not be the best platform, it presents an excellent earning opportunity for anyone through their surveys, promo codes, chests, giveaways, and many other ways to earn. If you complete one survey, you open one chest, and you enter one promo code every single day, you'll earn around 81 cents or around $300 annually. Personally, I actually plan to invest any money I make from LootUp into investments to actually build my wealth for me and my family. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll catch you guys real soon.